Hello dear students, in this video we are going to see some terminologies or definitions which are in state space modeling. So what exactly state is, what exactly space is, that we are going to see now. State is what? The state of dynamic system is the smallest set of variables called as state variables, such that the knowledge of these variables at t is equal to t0 together with knowledge of input for t is greater than or equal to t0 completely determines the behavior of the system for any time t to t0. So in state space analysis, it is very important to understand a definition of state. State is nothing but state can be used to provide us the behavior of the system in advance. If we know the scenario of variables at t is equal to 0 and t is greater than or equal to t0, then we can easily predict the behavior of the system. And if we know the behavior of the system, we can control the system very easily. Note that the concept of state is by no means limited to physical system. It is also applicable to biological system, economical system, social system and others also. So state is very important concept which is used to predict the behavior of the system. If we have the knowledge of these variables at t is equal to t0 and t is greater than or equal to t0. Now what exactly state variable is? In this slide we have seen what is state. Now we will see what is state variable. State variable of dynamic system are the variables making up the smallest set of variables that determine the state of the dynamic system. If at least n variables x1, x2 up to xn are needed completely to describe the behavior of a system, of a dynamic system, so that once the input is given for t is greater than or equal to t0 and initial state t is equal to t0 is specified, the future state of the system is completely determined. Then such n variables are set of state variables. So if we give the input as t is greater than or equal to t0 and initial state at t is equal to t0, if we give these things as input, and if n such variables are used or if n such variables are there, these set of variables are called as state variables. Then what is state vector? A vector whose elements are the state variables. A vector whose elements are the state variables is called as state vector. We can see the state vector, or we can show the state vector by using the array. If n state variables are needed to completely describe the behavior of a given system, then these n state variables can be considered the n components of vector x. So if x vector is given, then its component n components are known as the state variables. A state vector is thus a vector that determines uniquely the system state at state xt for any time t is greater than or equal to t0 once the state at t is equal to t0 is given and the input ut for t is greater than or equal to t0 is specified. So from these state vectors, state variables, we can gain we can understand the complete knowledge of the system behavior. Now what is state space? The n-dimensional space whose coordinate axis consists of x1 axis, x2 up to xn axis, where x1, x2 and xn are the state variables. It is called as state space. So state space is nothing but the n-dimensional space where different values we can show along different axes, then that is state space. State space refer to A space whose access are the state variables. So whatever are the state variables that can be shown on the axis, that is the state space. The state of the system can be represented as a vector within that space. So if we have three-dimensional space, then we have three state variables. If we have n-dimensional or n state variables, then we have to use n axis. Next is state space equation. In state space analysis, we are concerned with three types of variables that are involved in modeling of the dynamic system. Which type of variables are those? Those are input variables, output variables, and state variables. From these three types of variables, we can analyze the state space. The number of state variables to completely define the dynamic system of the system is equal to the number of integrators involved in the system. So whatever are the number of state variables, that number of integrators we have also to use in the control system. So these are all about the basics of states variable, state, what is exactly state, state vector, what is state vector, what is state model, what is state space equation, and what is state space. Thanks for listening.